Welcome to the Facet 5 online learning series. In this session we will look at how to create a new strategic leadership review project. Let's get started. You can pause at any time by using the video controls at the bottom of the screen. Firstly, select the Projects tab from the main menu. You will come to the Project Workbench screen. To create a new project, select the New Project Wizard button on the right-hand side of the screen. Enter the details of the project. Ensure you provide sufficient description to allow other users to understand the reason for the project. We recommend for projects that are used across groups, to make sure the For My Eyes Only, and Suppress Closeness of Fit, are deselected. When ready, select the Continue button. In this step, select the checkboxes for the Facet 5 Profile and Strategic Leadership Review questionnaire. Each person being reviewed must complete both the questionnaires. Next, select the Continue button. You are now ready to add the person being reviewed, and the people who will be providing feedback. You can do this by using the links provided. Where a person already exists in the database, use the Add Existing Respondent link. If you would like to add new people, you can do this by clicking on Add New Respondent. You can also import a list of people from a spreadsheet, using the Import CSV file link. This can be a quicker and easier option for large projects. For help on creating a CSV file, refer to our online learning series. When creating a new respondent, you will need to provide the respondent details. Unless absolutely necessary, ensure the For My Eyes Only is deselected. This will allow others to see the profile and to add to future projects. You do not need to add the respondent to a group or a project. They will be automatically added to your new project through this process. When you have entered the information, click on the Save button. Continue this process until you have all the people you wish to add to your new project. When you have all the names you wish to add, select the Continue button. In this step, select the person who is the target of the review. You can select more than one person to be reviewed if required. Next, select the Continue button. Next, select the person to complete the Facet 5 questionnaire by using the checkbox next to their name. You can also select the preferred language and norm group in this step. If the target of the review has already completed a Facet 5 questionnaire, you can select the Continue button to move to the next step. Now, select those people who will provide feedback to the target using the SLR questionnaire. You can select all the names at once by using the Select All checkbox on the top right-hand side of the screen. Using the drop-down list, you can change the viewpoint from which the person providing feedback will be seen. There are 5 viewpoints available. These include Self, Manager, Direct Report, Peer, and Customer. Ensure that the checkbox next to the person receiving feedback is checked, and that their viewpoint is indicated as Self. You can also change the language of the questionnaire if required. When you have updated each person's viewpoint and language, select the Continue button. You are now ready to send the questionnaire invitations. To check which questionnaires are going to each person, click on the plus sign next to the person being reviewed. This will list the questionnaires to be completed, and in the case of the Strategic Leadership Review, it will also list the people who will be providing feedback and their viewpoint. Please note that when a person is only providing feedback on another person, and is not being reviewed, they will not have any questionnaires listed under their name. The questionnaire will be listed under the name of the person being reviewed only. You are now ready to send the invitations. To do this, click the Send Invites button. You can enter an optional message prior to sending. This can be helpful to provide greater context for the respondent on why they are completing this questionnaire. Your optional message will be combined with instructions on how to access and complete the questionnaire. You can preview your message prior to sending by selecting the Preview button. When your emails have been successfully sent, you will receive a confirmation message at the top of your project screen. You can check the status of the invites by returning to the list and selecting the plus sign next to the person's name. It will now list the date set, and the status of the questionnaire. You can also send an email reminder, for reviews that are outstanding. Your new SLR project is now complete. For further information on how to generate and print a strategic leadership review report, once the reviews are complete, refer to the instructional video called Generating and Printing a Strategic Leadership Review Report. You can find this video in the Facet 5 online learning series. Thank you for watching a Facet 5 online learning session. For further information visit the Facet Live tab on the Practitioner Workbench. Or you can email practitionercare@facet5.com.